All right, so for the traditional drawer, what you're gonna do is you don't even have to have your Chromebook open or anything. Hi. What you're gonna do is you're gonna situate yourself in front of some place in your home or around your home outside where you can see some sort of architecture. So a house or a garden plot with raised bed gardens or whatever it is. So right now I'm sitting in front of this right here, and I'm going to start plotting out how to start drawing this. So if you have your sketchbook at home, you're going to want to get that out. Um, and then I just have a number two pencil, which is fine, but use whatever you have. I've even used like the backside of old bills and stuff that were blank to draw on, which is fine. And if you just have like a big pen or whatever, just use what you have to draw. So for drawing this, I'm just going to kind of sit here in front of this scene. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this door right here. And the door is a rectangle. And definitely going to measure that rectangle. It is pretty tall. And the width of it, let's see if I can do this. So the width of it is going to be like about that big. And I'm going to use that to compare to the width on my page. So holding my fingers up in front of my face until I can measure the width of the door. And then I'm going to turn it sideways. So one width. Um, and try not to move your fingers too far away from your face. Like it's really important to keep your finger distance the same space away from your face uh, when you're taking measurements. So what happens is, okay, so this is the width of the door. So I'm going to go 1 and then 2. So it's about 2. So the width of this door is about, or the height of the door is going to be about 2 lengths of the width of the door. So one of these is equal to, um, well, you would need 2 of them to equal the height of that door. So what I'm going to do in my drawing is I'm going to create a rectangle. Here's the width, and I'm going to take that width and measure it 1, 2 to create the height. So now I'm going to have a door that's rectangular. I don't know if you can see that very well. That is rectangular, but the width and height are in proportion. So the height is 2 times the width. So, and I'm going to start drawing lightly, but I'm going to do those sighting techniques to make sure I get the width and angles and proportions right on my drawing so that they look like what I see in front of me. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm looking at the, let's see, this width from the door, like right here where the door ends, to this wall right here. That width is maybe about 1, 2, 3, 4 widths of the door. So on here, I'm going to divide my door in half and then in fourths. So this width right here would be the width of the edge of that wall. So now I'm going to draw the edge of that wall in. So you can see that I'm making sure I'm measuring everything to get the right proportions. So, and I see that there's a little trim at the bottom right there. And then I see there's an angle going from, let's see if I can get this. It's so weird to do this. The angle from, let's see, this corner of the wall right here to, let's see, right here, this corner right down here of this wall. So this side of the wall is closer to me, so it's going to drop down lower on the picture plane.